Hello everyone. Uh, Today I'm going to show you one of my project that name is a palm index and hand gesture based user authentication system, and this is one of my project that has already been published in IEEE research paper, and this is my research paper. And here is my name, Sudipto Das. So let's go into the project and let's run that. So here is the code. First of all, I will run this code and let's see what happened. Basically, if I will give you the overview of this code, this will basically identify the palm, identify the indexes of the palm, store that indexes on the of the palm in a MySQL database, basically SQL database, and this is the software that I'm using, MySQL Workbench. This is the server, SQL server, and here the data will be stored, and whenever again we will try to unlock or fetch the data, or the basically unlock the system, the the data the basically palm will be identified again, and the stored data will be matched with the palm data, and if the data will be matched, then the user will be authenticated. Otherwise, the system will show you that the user is new, or the password is not matching. Basically, features is not matching. As simple as that. So let's run the code. So this the system is already exist. It's showing place your palm in the correct position in front of the camera within 10 seconds. So this is the space where I have to place the palm, and the system will identify whether I'm authenticated person or not. So yeah, unlocked, it means yeah, my palm is authenticated and I'm not the unauthorized person. It means my features is matching to the database, right? So let's go into the database and delete. So this is the whole palm indexes basically of my palm. This is the feature of my palm. The, mm, and this is the feature in which matching with the palm, right? My palm, right? And now I will just drop this database. So this is the database 5CD1328LN6. This is the database. I'm just first of all, let's show you the database. Here is the database 5CD13, and now I will just drop this database. Fine. Let's see again here. So here the database has already been deleted. Now I will run this code and let's see what happened. So yeah, it's showing system is new. So let's read your palm. Now my palm will be readed and stored as the admin. So let's see what will happen. Again, I have to place my palm here, and yeah, admin added. It means this is software has taken the length of my palm and stored it in the database by naming the name of the database. Like, let's see that again. So yeah, again you can see 5CD1328LN6 has already in come to the database, right? Now you may think that how the name is again same, right? How the name is again same just like before. It's because I am extracting the serial number of the system by using the OS module. I am extracting the serial number of the system. It means whenever the software will run in the same system, it will extract the same data, serial number of that system, and it will like store the same it means it will not duplicate the systems. The database will be same, or the database will only be one for one system, right? And that will only be possible if I am extracting the serial number of the system and storing the database, or the naming the database by on the basis of that serial number. So here is that code which is doing that, right? And so this is my project, and let's see if my palm is not matching, so I'm not having any other one to show. That's why I will just fold my palm, and let's see if my palm will match or not. So let's go. The system already exists. Yeah, I have just made that, right, just before. Now I will just fold my palm and show the palm here, right? Let's see what happened. So yeah, system features didn't match. It's as simple as that. If my palms, like if the features are not matching, then this will just simply show that the system, the user is not authenticated. As simple as that. So this is my project. I hope you will like this project, and please go to my research paper and read this. I hope you will like this paper. Thank you and have a nice day.